Good morning all, this is Prashanti continuing with DBMS laboratory. In the last task we have seen the task 2 queries. Before going to the task 3 queries, I would like to discuss some of the operators in SQL. We have two operators in SQL and or operators. When these and or operators are used when you want to use multiple conditions. That is, if you want to retrieve a record depending upon one or more conditions, depending upon more than one conditions. If you want to retrieve a record when more than one conditions are true, then you go for AND operator. Or if you want to retrieve a record if only one of the conditions are true, then you go for OR operator. Okay, and the syntax of AND or operator follows or goes like this. Select column 1, column 2, column n from table name where condition 1 and condition 2. Okay, that means select which columns you want to select. That means which columns you want to display from table name. What is from which table you want to retrieve, where condition. You have to specify the condition and one more condition. And one more condition, your wish. You can specify any number of conditions here. Instead of and, you can use even or. When you use and operator, then all these conditions should be true. When all these conditions are true, only such record will be extracted out. If you specify or here, then if any one of the conditions are true, then such record will be retrieved. Right? Suppose if I have a table like this, I have some IDs, names, age, address and salary of an employees. Suppose now I want to retrieve all the names of an employees whose age is greater than 25 and also whose salary is greater than 2000. What I am telling, I want to retrieve the names of the employees whose age is greater than 25 and whose salary is also greater than 2000. Two conditions must satisfy, then such type of records I want to retrieve. So what operator you should use? AND operator. This is one example. Fetch ID, name and salary fields from the customer table where salary is greater than 2000 and age is less than 25 years. Okay, so what I should select? I should select ID, name and salary. You specify whatever you want, ID, name, salary. From which table? Customers tables. What is the condition? For specifying the condition, you write what? Where salary is greater than 2000 and age is less than 25. So all the records whose salary is greater than 2000 and age is less than 25 will be retrieved. So these are the two records which are having salary greater than 2000 and age is less than 25. Similarly, the OR operator. Instead of and you can use OR here. OR means what? If salary is greater than 2000 or salary is less than 2000. When any of these conditions are true, such records will be retrieved. So select ID, name, salary from the table called in customers where salary is greater than 2000 or age is less than 25. So these are the records whose salary is greater than 2000 or whose salary or whose age is less than 25. Okay, then the next operator is like operator. Like operator is used for string matching. Okay, these are also called as wildcard. These are the two wildcards that you can use. There are two like operators. One is percentage and the other one is underscore. We'll see how that works. Suppose if I write, this is the short query I have written, where salary like 200 percentage symbol. This percentage symbol is what? This is mandatory. 200 followed by percentage. That means this 200 is important, followed by, you can have anything here. That means it retrieves or finds all the values that start with 200. Then after 200, whatever it may be, that does not matter, but it should start with 200. Okay, such kind of records will be retrieved. If you go for the second one, percentage 200 percentage, here whatever the number it may be, or here whatever the number it may be, but in the middle or here you should have 200. That means it retrieves the values that have 200 in any position. Here you are not specifying the position, but in somewhere you should have 200. Okay, now this is one more underscore. Underscore specifies the position, underscore 00 percentage. That means this is the first position, isn't it? So here in the second and third positions you should have zeros, followed by you can have anything here. Here also you can have anything. So what is the output for this? Here you can have anything, but in the second and third positions you should have 200. Likewise, you can have any examples here by using underscore and percentage symbol. Now, this is one of the queries. Select star from customers where salary like 200 percentage. That means all the customers who are having salary whose salary is starting with 200 are displayed. After 200, whatever the salary it may be, you are not concerned with that. Okay. Now next, the next one clause is order by clause. In the name itself you are having order by. Order means what? In some order. It may be in ascending order or descending order. So all the data that all the records that you are going to enter into your table, if you want to display them in ascending order or descending order, then you should use this order by clause. So you have select what you want to select. You want to select what? Column list. Column means from table name. What is the table name? And then specify the condition. Depending upon which condition you want to order which columns, column 1, column 2, ascending or descending. ASC for ascending, DSC for descending. If you don't specify ascending or descending, by default it will take ascending. Okay. Now this is the example. Select star from customers, order by name. Okay, you want to select all, you want to display all the records. Star means all the records. You want to display, all the columns. You want to display all the columns from which table? Customer tables. Order by name. You order by name. That means you want to display all the records in an ascending order. I did not specify anything here, ascending or descending. By default it is ascending order. I want to display all the records in ascending order in by using which column? By using name column. So look here, all the names are displayed in ascending order. Okay. Now if you want to specify the same thing in descending order, then you have to specify DESC. DESC means descending. Select star from customers, order by name, DESC. So all the names are displayed in descending order. Ramesh, Mafi, Komal. Right? Now the another class is distinct. In the name itself you are having distinct means not unique. Sorry, distinct means different. SQL distinct keyword, here we use this along with the select operator. This is used to eliminate the duplicate records. Okay, eliminate the duplicate records. Now here, for example, if a person in a table, if a person details are present 2 times, then you can display. If you want to display that person name only once, then you can use this distinct. It is displayed only 1 time. Now look here, select distinct columns. What columns you want to display? from table name where condition. Here you have to specify the condition. Look here, select distinct salary from customers. What distinct you want? All the distinct salaries. So suppose a person X has 2000 salary, person Y is also having 2000 salary. You don't want this 2000 similar 2000 you want only one 2000. So you can use distinct. Select distinct salaries from customers. Order by salary, and again all those salaries I am putting in an order. So order by salary. Okay. So these are the few operators that are used in SQL. In the next video, we'll see about the task 3. Okay, thank you.